All right, so this is an end range knee flexion rock back. The whole goal here is to try and mobilize the joint a little bit to allow a little more space within the joint to reduce some tightness that might be happening when you bend your knee all the way. Easy way to do this is to use a towel. Okay, a standard dish towel is fine. Fold it in half long ways. And what we're going to do, we're going to start to fold it in half again, and then maybe one more time, and that's going to create a couple of layers. Okay, if you really have some restriction, you can do this a fourth time as well. So let's start here. You're going to lean forward. You're going to put it directly behind the crease of the knee and really get it in there fairly tight. Okay, you're going to rock back slightly just to keep it in place. Okay, keeping it there. The whole goal here, you don't want to necessarily pull yourself back using your hip flexors, but I want you to try and push with your arms as you rock back. And what this is just going to allow your lower half to kind of relax. And as you come back, you might feel some tension in the right knee. Hold there for a few seconds. Take a deep breath. Breathe all that air out. Try and get all those ribs down. Take another deep breath with the ribs down. And breathe on out. Trying to get as much air back as you can. Come back up. You do that one or two more times. And then try and go down one more notch. Okay, so you're going to unfold it. Get it right behind that kneecap, or the back of the knee. Push yourself back. You might feel yourself going a little lower. You might feel a little more restriction. It might be a little bit painful, but try and work it a little bit. If it's too painful, go back to the larger fold-up towel roll. Pushing it back. Take a few breaths. Come back up. Same thing. Do maybe two more rounds. Then we're going to come back, unfold it, and you can see how the process is going. Put it in again, unfold it, really get it in there. Push yourself back. By now you might start feeling like maybe you're not ready to go a little bit further. And from there you can even just work it a little bit. See how far down you can get. If you need to go back one more towel roll to make it feel more comfortable, you can do that. And then the end up goal, toss the towel, see if you can come back all the way down symmetrically. When you have restriction, say on the right knee, you can't bend all the way, you'll notice that your hips will come back on the left. You'll sink more to the left than to the right. So what your goal is after this, you can even look yourself in the mirror or have you take a video from behind, but you can see if they look fairly symmetrical and not off to one side. Okay, we want to be able to sit left, sit right, having full access range of motion.